Hey guys, it's me Yanni and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to DIY your own chalkboards. So let's jump right into it. So for this DIY, all you're going to need is some picture frames from Dollar Tree, Rust-Oleum chalkboard spray paint, a chalkboard marker, and here are some additional items you definitely need to buy that I didn't use. Some Rust-Oleum spray paint primer and chalk. And I definitely spelled primer wrong, but that's okay. So the first thing you want to do is spray paint the glass or plastic from the picture frame. Before spray painting, if you get your primer, go ahead and apply that first and then go in with your chalkboard spray paint. It just has a better effect on your chalkboard. Once you're done applying multiple coats of your spray paint, let it dry. You can let it sit there for an hour to 24 hours, how long it takes for it to set and look nice and smooth. So once they're all dry, use your chalkboard marker and create any designs that you want on your chalkboard. But a word of advice before you do that, take an actual piece of chalk, which you could get from $1 from like Target or Dollar Tree, of course, and prime your chalkboard by rubbing the piece of chalk all over it and then just wiping it off. And that helps for like if you make a mistake, when you wipe off your chalkboard marker, it looks nice and clean. So yeah, the rest of this video is basically me just creating my own chalkboard signs. I am my cousin's maid of honor, so I'm throwing the bridal shower, and I thought making chalkboard signs would be really cute decor items, and they're very affordable to make if you can't tell. And I like that at Dollar Tree they have a variety of different frames. You have the frames that come with the backing where you can sit them up, or you have the ones that you can hang, or you have these new ones now which are kind of like display frames where you just slide an image right into it and it kind of stands on its own. So I picked up different options just to create the different signs that will be at my cousin's bridal shower. So yeah, you guys, that is it. I feel like it was a pretty simple video, a pretty easy and affordable craft to do. Let me know what you thought about it down in the comment section below. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, and also leave me a note down. Oh, I already said that. And also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.